Simply run a Google search and, as a first step, download the Google Translate app. By following the instructions given here, you can earn more than $25 every 15 minutes. It has now been 45 minutes. Refreshing this page will allow you to see our earnings. Just translate and write. Click go after copying this and pasting it here. In this video, I'll show you how to earn $27 up to $27.74 every 15 minutes using simply Google Translate. In this video, I'll put this tactic to the test in real time so you can decide if it's worthwhile of your time and effort. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. Let's begin with the procedure. I'll show you how to make money off of Google Translate in this video. The website you need to visit is translate.google.com, so you should start there. Instead of just utilizing Google Translate in this video, we'll be using the Google Translate app on your smartphone. Everything I'm about to show you in this video on how to make money with Google Translate will go 10 times faster if you use the Google Translate app. I'll explain why shortly. So pay attention. It is true that you could complete this process using just your laptop, but using a smartphone would speed things up considerably. You must first download the Google Translate app to our smartphones in order to start making money with the technique. All you have to do to access the App Store on an iPhone is to launch it. You only need to open the Google Store if you have an Android phone. Just download Google Translate by searching for it. You can use Google Translate the same way because, as you can see, it appears almost same on both a phone and a browser. The only distinction is that you can utilize the camera app on your phone. I'll look for some language choices. I'll change to French, for instance, if I open the camera. Any term I find will be instantly translated into French on this website. This is the strategy we'll use to make money online, just using Google Translate. Everything moves so quickly, which is why this is so strong. By using translate.google.com as your browser, you can make money faster than anyone else. Once the software is released, we must decide how to make money off of it. Google Translate has also been completed. We'll use cbagrip.com, which is online. By using this website as a tool for monetization, you may begin making money from a variety of online tactics. Take Link, Video Locker by 5 Lockers, Offer Walls, Virtual Money, and so forth. For instance, this website offers cost per action or CPA options. If you want to earn from the offerings, get people interested in them. If they act, you will profit from them. Because it's so simple, it's one of the easiest methods to make money online. Allow me to walk you through the procedure. First things first, proceed to the register and input your first name and last name, street address, city, and pretty much everything else that is requested. You need to proceed with 2 things, with the utmost prudence. First, if you want to use the site to get paid, you ought to include your real qualifications. You will not be able to collect payment from this technique if, for example, the information you offer when you register an account is incompatible with your payment method. The second is that you must ensure that you include a GPT when establishing your account. They won't decide whether you are qualified for the CPA platform if you include GPT. Instead, your account will be delivered right away. Enter your accurate information below. Don't forget to enter GPT, then click Register. The first thing you'll see after registering an account is this chat, where you can see how much money users are making using this platform. After you've confirmed that you agree to everything, anyone can make money using this reliable platform. The amount you can make depends on the strategy you pick and how well it works for you. It might be between $100 and $100,000. The next step is to choose Offer Tools, followed by My Offers, where a list of all the CPA offers that we may utilize on this platform will be first thing to see. We can look up a user's payout on the website if they take advantage of these offers. For this one, all they have to do is submit their email, and if they do, you will get $100.88. I consider CPA marketing to be one of the simplest ways to make money online because of this. To earn products, you only need to motivate people to take an action. You don't have to make any sales. Let's now look for a product that I want to use with this technique. If you only click Payouts, the least reward that is feasible will be shown. If If you click it again, the maximum payout that is possible for the offer per person taking one action will be shown. More than $20 can be made by us. Assume that customers who do something as basic as using there will give you more than $20. It's extremely simple to obtain $20 from all of this by only using Google Translate to input some of their information. I advise you to undertake this deal, which will earn you $21.90. Since it is solely for mobile phones, this is my favorite choice. The only thing required from users is their information. This offer is quite recent. This link should be the most important portion for you if I open it. You'll be paid $21.90 if they click on this link and do something. This is the URL. You will email something if they are French. If you want to make money, getting people to visit your site and increasing traffic are both crucial in this video. I'll show you a fresh method to get started with this that relies solely on free advertising, especially that which is already working. We're going to spy on profitable advertisements that are earning thousands of dollars for ethical people. You'll be able to observe events from a distance, duplicate what you learn, and start making money off of it. We will use spypush.com, a surveillance tool for push notification ads. To accomplish this, I'll show you which ads are the greatest to watch out for, as you can start spying on the numerous adverts that people utilize using this software. If you intend to utilize this website, just click Create Account and enter the required information. We may notice several push notification ads used for CPA offerings inside the account. Start employing our Google Translate software right away. The majority of these offerings, as you can see, are from other nations, and I have no idea what text they are using for these adverts. Before the program recognizes English as the language, I'll start by choosing it. When I open the camera, I'll start looking at it to see what they're utilizing for their advertisement if it's performing so effectively. I can then understand their language with ease from there. This makes it easier for me to choose the best advertisement to use for my CPA offers. To figure out what will work, we can translate the words into a language that we can understand. We can easily add it to our advertisement, take it, translate it into the language of our choice, and use it there. The Google Translate app is quite efficient because of this. To get the greatest hand, there are a few steps you should take first. Consequently, you can locate one that is profitable. This is important. You must set the filter to today's running and click Show because these people have been running this offer for a while, demonstrating that the ad is successful and profitable for them to begin with. If it weren't profitable, they wouldn't keep running the commercial or spending money on it. My main goal is to locate an iPhone commercial. Simply said, I'm looking for an app that works and makes money for whoever is running the adverts. No matter what kind of iPhone it is, I want to use the exact same text and pictures in the English version of the app. This iPhone marketing caught my attention, but I don't like it since I don't think it will be successful. This website offers a fantastic options where you may look for extra creative similar to this one and use them. Therefore, this is the one I like. Just my Google Translate app will I bring. Now, simply switching to Google Goes for language identification will do. This promotes. I'll get a screenshot or a photo of the translated adverts if you take a photograph. All I have to do to start making money off of this text right now is change it into the free advert I'm about to show you. The free advertising will be our first stop. We'll make advantage of this website. As a free advertising choice on our website, easyhitsforyou.com. You can start placing advertisements for nothing at all, and the 1,800,000 users who visited will see them. By simply clicking a few buttons, you can use this incredibly simple traffic source, and best of all, you can get all of the traffic for nothing. Go back to the CPA since you need to insert your URL here. Copy this link, click Go after entering your link. The following action is to sign up for free ad option. After you scroll down and click No Thanks, I'll just complete all the fields and click Sign Up. Simply let me in. The commercial must be completed. You can see that the connection exists. You should use the following URL. The only thing left to do is to give the advertisement a title and the proper wording. Because English is the language, you will see the title from the advertisements I previously displayed to you. I'll just add English, then just recreate it and incorporate it into the title. It is recommended that you include this website in the offerings so that you may attract more members' traffic. Decide on the title and then click Submit Website. Our ad is currently running. Additionally, the opportunity for free advertising will soon begin to drive visitors. You only have a few options if you want to increase traffic to it. This website is available to Traffic Exchange. Just click this link, validate your email, and then choose. To start viewing different advertising and boost traffic to your website, start surfing version 2.1 or version 1.1. This is fantastic because most users of this website are promoting products. You have a huge advantage over everyone because you weren't trying to sell anything. You're just giving something out. Consequently, they will benefit the most from our website. Wait 1 to 3 hours once everything is ready before estimating your earnings. You can see that today's income is zero after 45 minutes. We were able to make $20.90 by employing the technique, which I'll click to reload. Right now, I'm going to choose Statistics in Charge to open the stats overview so we can see it number by number. This demonstrates the strategy's efficacy and our ability to profit from it. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.